Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Spirit 2 E-210. Want to help me compare them?
Sure thing. I can do that. What are you looking for in a grill?
Well, portability is pretty important, and cooking space, of course, and also how much heat they pump out.
Okay, let's dive in. The Nexgrill Fortress is definitely more portable. It's a tabletop model weighing about 28.7 pounds, whereas the Weber is a full-sized grill, much bigger at 20 pounds, but more spread out.
Okay, that's interesting, but the Weber is lighter? I thought full-size grills were heavier.
You're right, I misread that the Nexgrill is the heavier one. The Weber would be harder to move around for tailgating.
Gotcha. What about cooking space?
The Weber Spirit 2 has a larger cooking area, around 360 square inches. The Nexgrill Fortress offers 263 square inches. So you're getting more grilling real estate with the Weber.
That's a significant difference. What about heat output? I want a grill that can sear a steak nicely.
The Weber kicks out 18,000 BTUs, while the Nexgrill puts out 13,500 BTUs. So the Weber should get hotter faster.
Okay, Weber wins on heat. What about features? Anything special?
The Nexgrill is interesting. It's a 2-in-1 grill and griddle combo. You can swap out the grates for a griddle surface, which is cool for breakfast or stir fries. It also has easy lift handles. The Weber is iGrill 3 compatible. That's a separate smart thermometer and has a built-in lid thermometer. It also has a fuel gauge, which is handy.
A griddle is nice, but also knowing how much propane I have left is also a plus. What about the grates themselves?
The Nexgrill has cast iron cooking grids known for their heat retention and even cooking. The Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates. Both are good, but some prefer porcelain enameled for easier cleaning.
Okay, so Nexgrill for portability and griddle versatility, Weber for larger cooking area and higher heat. And the Weber has a fuel gauge.
Exactly. It really depends on what you prioritize. Also, the Weber is currently unavailable, so that might make the decision for you.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.